Got the RJ Corman coal train there. Oh crap. Is there going to be enough clearance? It's just enough clearance. Railfaning at the station on the AAMR by Alta Interlocking. Oh, emergency stop.
Randy, you're clear to go. I'm off.
I got a truck off the thing.
Alright.
What happened?
I don't know. Oh, really?
You got an approach.
Who?
Come.
Well.
I only have like 10 videos today. Upload.
How many?
About 10. My battery's probably at like 40%, but oh well.
Go back your training whenever I get done outside.
Okay.
Hand over my,
Hand over my box, sir. Hold on there. Yeah. Yeah, it's fine, man. Hello?
yeah.
Probably on a curve that it just
I'm always on my way. I know you were leaving.
The coal train's coming down the mountain.
After you go out the door, yeah.
Jordan, check this out. It's like right next to the train going by. I'm gonna uncouple this car so I can, oh, never mind. Don't want to uncouple it. I got those diaphragms on there. Okay.